I just wanted to share what my room looks like. Um, these are boxes packed up. It's really overwhelming. You know, I've mentioned many of times that I am moving, and well, this is a process of packing up stuff. We're trying to find a place. I don't know what to say. This is a nightmare. I have to do a little bit at a time because I'm feeling like totally overwhelmed. And I'm trying to purge now, but I'm really going to do the purging once I'm in the house. This up here, this corner, this is going to the giveaway, which again I can't do right now because I'm in the middle of all this process. I just wanted to show you what's going on here. But nonetheless, I'm going to do another giveaway after I get into the house. I'm going to do a purge, another purge, really huge purge. I just don't want to get rid of anything right now because I might just need it. So, and out of, emotional stress of packing up, I don't want to get rid of something that I'm going to need later on. So this is it. This is my mess. And I just wanted to share with you that it's not that I'm ignoring you or anything like that, or that I'm not going to do this giveaway. The fact is that this is overwhelming and I can't really think. I mean, that little corner is just the tip of the iceberg. And I have to get all of this packed up. Once I'm in there and I start setting things up, I'm going to start doing a pile, and we'll start doing that, and that's going to be sometime in the end of spring, I'm hoping. So yes, so please bear with me, my subscribers. I thank you so much that you are supporting me and are having patience with me. Once I'm in the new place, I will start doing tutorials and sharing a lot more of the things that I have been doing. I wanted to also show you the little cart that I created right here. It's a little cart that I created out of my extra stuff. I really wanted this cover from another place that I found. Hold on, let me shut this TV off. And so I know the whole floor, everything's a mess. I created that and that to hold extra stuff as I'm doing these. Let me show you these envelope journals. This I will have a giveaway for soon. I'm doing a few of them and I will be giving that away because that's small. So yeah, so that's me. So I can work out of, because I cannot be not active in my creating. So guys, that was my granddaughter. So guys, I thank you so much for having patience with me, and yeah, pray for me, wish me luck. And if you have any comments or ideas or anything on how to deal with this overwhelming stress of packing my art room, please put it below. I can use your support and your encouragement. Sometimes I feel like I'm the only one that has done this, although in reality I know that I'm not the only one. But it would be nice just to have brothers and sisters in the craft industry in this culture to just, oh my goodness, help me here and encourage me. Okay guys, Love yous, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.